A few years ago, I had a decision to make. Spend 60, 75, 85 bucks a month joining a gym, or invest in gym quality equipment that I could use every day in my home. Well, that's what I did. And straight ahead, we'll give you an up-close look at one of the most important components of the in-home gym, this Life Fitness elliptical. Hi friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips, and I can't wait to show you why I love this Life Fitness elliptical. I travel a lot, and whenever I enter a hotel, the first two things that I look for that make me feel comfortable and feel a little bit more at home, one, in my room, I kind of like the pillows to feel like my pillow at home, and number two, I stop by the fitness center before I go upstairs and I look for this. I look for Life Fitness equipment, especially this particular model, because it is so smooth, it is so whisper quiet, it is so versatile. And when I get on it, I'm kind of a big guy. When I get on it, what I really want to feel is that I'm getting a good workout in without all of the herky-jerky motion. I love the display. I love all the different workouts that are available to you. I mostly just put it in manual mode. I kind of know where my resistance level is. I kind of know how long I want to go. And while there are certainly a lot of reviews out there that mostly take place in hotel fitness rooms from somebody just holding their phone up, I think it counts a little bit more that I actually made the investment to purchase this from a gym while it was still new enough that it had the plastic over the display unit, right? You know, if it was a used car, it had very low miles, very low miles on it. And since then, I have used it very frequently and have added to the mileage. So what I want to do is kind of take you through the basics of what makes this so good. And we'll start with, this is going to sound kind of goofy to you, I know, but it starts with this. And you're thinking, well, you must be enamored with the display unit and all the data that comes from it. No, not really. What I'm mostly enamored with is the fact that there's a bookshelf on here, and I can put a book, I can put an iPad, I can watch a movie, I can do something, because when I'm riding this thing, the number one detriment to a long workout is boredom. And so I love the extension of this. Like I said, I'm pretty tall. If I stand on it right now, I think I leave the picture. For the most part, I cut my head off. And up here at the right eye level, I can put the iPad and really take advantage of the proximity, the ease, and the smoothness of this ride, right? So let me just put it on what my normal level would be. I use manual, I go to that quick start, I put it on level 17, and we're pretty much good to go. Sorry that I left the picture on you, I'll come down here a little bit. But if you've ever been on an elliptical that maybe has the interior chain drive, or especially in hotels, you'll find those models that are all herky-jerky and you feel like you're going to fall off them all the time. This is as smooth as butter. By the way, this also is not plugged into my wall. There's a battery inside that is constantly recharging because you're using it. I know that this represents a sizable purchase. I'm here to tell you that in my world, for my home fitness area, this is the best investment that I have made. Take that under advisement, get on one, test it for yourself. My guess is you're going to be very, very impressed, just like I have been. Thanks for checking us out here on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. I hope you'll hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.